How to add Shopify story link to TikTok bio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can add a clickable Shopify story link to your TikTok bio. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, once you're here, in order to add a clickable Shopify store link on your TikTok bio, you must have a business account on the TikTok. If you're using a personal account, you could only add an Instagram or YouTube link, but not the other custom link. So for that, you have to switch your personal account into a business account if you have not already. So once you're on your profile, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, tap on Account at the top. And here in this interface, you will have an option to switch to business account. Tap on Switch to business account, then you'll be asked to choose a category. Select your category and then tap on Done. Now you're using your business account. Once you're on your business account, now to add your Shopify store link, you have to head back to your profile. Once you're onto your profile, tap on Edit Profile button. Scroll down a bit. Here you have links. Tap on links, and then at the top there is a section for website. Tap on it. Again, here it says you must have a registered business account. So make sure that you have a registered business account. Tap on Get Started if you have not registered your business account yet. And once you have completely registered, there you can paste your Shopify link. So paste your Shopify store URL, and once you're done, tap on Save. After you do that, your store link will appear clickable in your TikTok profile bio just below your username. If you go back to your profile, you could find your link right under your profile. That's it, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.